Security personnel in areas worst hit by violence as a result of the EndSARS aftermath appear to have resolved not to go back to their places of assignment, with weeks away from the Yuletide period. Now the question that may perhaps be begging for answers in the minds of the average citizen will be, should citizens be solely responsible for their own protection?
It's very sad because injustice is going on in this nation. If there is justice, they will not quit, not to go back to their own duty post. There is many things that National Assembly have to implement it, favoring the masses of this nation, but they are not doing it, which is very wrong. You see this EndSARS that you are talking about, they are doing the right thing.
I would just say they are being completely negligent, because it's their job, to make sure that people are safe and secure. But the fact that they are absent, following the old SARS and whatever, it just shows how negligent they are in doing their duties.
While citizens beg to differ with the resolve by security personnel, would this decision by law enforcement agents not become a situation likened to chickens coming home to roost?
In my own view, I can't say much because, there are some people who have their own mentality based on their way of understanding. Because some of them, they fail to understand that this EndSARS of a thing is for their own good also. Because there are things that are irregularities that is happening in the police force. In as much as we have the good ones, we have the bad ones. But those ones that fail to go back, I can't really tell what is their own aim.
Even the reassurance of the Inspector General of Police, who said no amount of provocation will make his men abandon their duties, seems to not have salvaged the situation.
If you are demoralized, the tendency is for criminals to take over the public space. And the country is relying on us to make sure that the public space is not it's not taken over by the criminals. So no amount of provocation, no amount of insult will make us to shy away from our responsibilities, in as much as we are aware that government is behind us.
They are not serious now. They know the meaning of what they vow for before wearing that uniform. They know that they have to do the work with all their mind, without sentiment. So they don't have any choice than to sit at home. They have to protect.
In a report by Vanguard, a divisional police officer is quoted to have said, "Our destroyed facilities are yet to be reconstructed and rehabilitated. Our looted armories are yet to be restocked, and when our men and women are yet to get over the humiliation and atrocities committed on them by the same people we are charged to protect, how can we return to our duty posts?"
We should not be hearing from our security services, our police outfit that no, they are not going to provide. Then are they wanting the collapse of the Nigerian state? There cannot be a kind of reprisal because of the youths have protested against ending SARS and all that. I think what people like us said at the beginning, SARS is just an atom of the whole problem that is besetting the Nigerian society.
Security operatives in various agencies and cadres attribute the violence which erupted during the nationwide uprising against police brutality and the assault suffered by security agents as a reason which has led to the loss of morale on their part.
The police that we have now is still a police that is responsible for protecting the elite, not serving the interest of the Nigerian populace. So if they go about and shout this, they must remember before they make some kind of utterances that the international community they are watching and listening. They have people in the diplomatic society around, in and around us. Yeah, they are reporting back to our country. Do they want Nigeria to slide into anarchy?
The call is for those at the helms of affairs to go back to the drawing board to see how normalcy can be restored.